Welcome to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. Today, on our cheap watch choices episode, we've got this Gorbin watch, wooden watch. Interesting looking piece. It's a quartz piece. No documentation. Just a little bit of foam padding in a reasonable box. But we're not talking about a lot of complexity here in packaging or watch design. What we have here is the Gorbin Compass Turntable Men's Wooden Watch, lightweight, handmade wood watches, men quartz sports watch. I can always tell a cheap watch when the name of the watch is set up more for search engine optimization than it is to actually try to sell the watch. As you see, it's got a very interesting, it does have an interesting time display with a turntable layout where you've got rotating discs and a stationary line to tell you the time. No second hand, which in a quartz watch isn't a serious negative because you're not really going to need a running indicator unless there's a catastrophic issue. It's going to continue to run. It says that the unique design is got a compass. The compass is just a unique decoration according to the write-up, and considering the quality of this compass, I agree with them 100%. The wood case design is actually quite interesting. It does, for a $35 watch on Amazon, this is actually an interesting, cute, reasonable watch that I could see someone who's into the outdoors. And I mean, like I said, the compass is just a decoration, but it's a symbolic statement. You got a wooden watch with a compass on it. Maybe you like the outdoors and hiking and stuff. And I'm guessing in a pinch it'll tell you what direction the sun is going to set in the afternoon. So, according to the manufacturer, like I said, quartz movement, it does have a leather strap. The soft cowhide leather strap provides maximum comfort even during extended use. This is a really interesting piece, the Gorbin 145. It's a 45 millimeter case, and it's 12 millimeters thick, and its total length, let's take a quick look at that since we happen to have the calipers. What is the total length on this thing? It is 53, so 54 millimeters lug to lug. But, we're going to put this on the wrist anyway to take a look. Might as well do that now. Because, once we go past the turntable, the wood construction, and the compass, there's not really a lot to show. There's not even any interesting carving on the back. It does claim 3 atmospheres of water resistance, so there must be some kind of a subcase under there. Let's throw it on the wrist and see what it looks like. Wristwatch check. I'm wearing my IWC Antoine Saint-Exupéry. He's the author of The Little Prince, by the way, and they really do like that guy. So let's throw this on the wrist. It doesn't look bad, but then again, at the $35 price point, we're talking about a serious, mainstream, cheap quartz watch. They're not expecting it, people to look at it and laugh. They're actually expecting people to buy it and treat it as a serious watch. It doesn't look bad. It's an interesting piece, interesting presentation, good wrist presence. It sits well. And yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. For the $35, you get a halfway decent watch here. At the minimum, it'd be a good friend for your ecologically minded friend. So that was the Gorbin 145 turntable watch, wood construction for men. And if you like the content, please leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.